everyone, so I'm going to teach you how to sign in and install Axis to your desktop. So first we're going to go ahead and go here on the right. Now we're here, we're going to press sign in. Go ahead and use your credentials. Now after that, as you can see, we are about to create a new installment of Axis, so go ahead and press right here, open in the app. And now that you see, we have this icon and we can go ahead and drag it, and there you go. Now it has a permanent place within our desktop. Okay, now that we are signed in, I'm going to give you a quick workflow demonstration. So doctors, let's begin. We'll start right here at the top bar, and this is a quick access. So we can start here at patient intake. Now to really demonstrate the magic with Axis, you can go ahead and press right here on your Wi-Fi and go offline. Now notice that we are completely off the network. There you go. As you can see, everything is being completed. I can go here to patient management, go to patient info, picture of this coffee. As you can see, everything is working just as it should be. So this is what sets Axis apart. We are able to utilize everything within the software as long as it is saved on your desktop, even without an internet connection. And just to demonstrate, go ahead and turn the internet back on. As you can see, we just have to go back and refresh the entire page, log back in, and there you have it. This is the new update that was created during offline. As you can see, everything is right here because everything is being hard-coded and encrypted within your individual device.